Midjourney is addictive. It's fun and produces amazing images, but getting exactly what you want is tough, and there are no guarantees that you can get exactly what you have imagined in your mind. It's for this reason that I decided to release a full Midjourney course a while ago and go through and show you exactly how you can get the results that you want while using Midjourney. That brings me to my announcement, which is the course has been completely updated for version 7 of Midjourney. So whether you're an existing course customer or whether you haven't bought it before, there is a new, fully updated series of videos in there covering things like omni-reference, the new visual editor, also draft mode, and I've completely updated all of the other videos to match the new layout and the new version 7 features. So this means if you've never checked out the course before, that you can go in and get the most up-to-date information, but if you've already got access to the course, that means all the information is now completely up to date so that you can get the most up-to-date versions of the lessons and all of the information and concepts I cover, but this time with the new layout and the new Midjourney version 7 toolset. Now, if you haven't heard about this course before, the way I've set it up is I've gone from a complete beginner workflow through to advanced concepts and strategies for getting the control and images that you're after. It's designed to be a complete resource, so that way if you sign up, you've never used Midjourney before, you can learn the ropes of Midjourney and come back to this course as you go and basically go all the way through from beginner to advanced, taking your time with it, or you can completely blitz it out in a couple of days or a week. It's really up to you, and it's suitable for pretty much any level. You can come in, and even though it has a beginner section, I actually still recommend advanced users go back and check those videos out because there might be little nuggets of information in there that you may have missed that can really help you to get more control over what it is you're creating in Midjourney. So if you've gained a lot of value from the videos I've published in the past here on YouTube, this is a much more in-depth course. It still has my teaching style, however, just a little bit of a calmer pace so that you can fully absorb everything that is in each video, and each video dives into a particular topic so you get a full understanding of each element of Midjourney and the things that you're trying to do within this powerful AI platform. But I've also had a lot of really positive reviews from people saying how much they love this course. So I thought I'd pop those on the screen for you so you can see exactly the kind of reception it's been getting from people who have used it to really level up their Midjourney game. Now, there is a link in the description if you want to check this out. However, I also want to mention that there is also my everything pack on the website. Now, essentially, this pack has every single one of my products rolled up into it, and every time I release a product, the price actually goes up to cover the cost of that product. But the sooner you sign up, the cheaper it is, and as new products are released, they are automatically included in the pack. So that way you can go in and get new products for free as you go along because you've already paid the money for access to those products. Now, it may not be available forever, so I highly recommend jumping in and getting that while it's still pretty cheap. It's only $100 in US dollars, and it covers absolutely everything. It includes my course, my style pack, and a whole bunch of other Photoshop templates, textures, other things that you may find very useful if you're creating images in Midjourney for whatever purpose. Now, links to all of these will be in the description below, but mostly I also just want to thank you guys for your support the last few years. The fact that you guys are interacting, watching my videos, supporting me with my products means I'm able to do this full time and do my best to try and really compress the learning curve to deliver you guys for free on YouTube so that you can learn more and get better much faster. So once again, thank you for making this possible, and I hope you find something useful in the store or even just on my channel in general. There's no pressure. If you feel like this is something that you will actually benefit from, please go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.